Design a freebie poster with me on Canva for your digital product freebie. First, let's create an artboard. Then let's add some gradient background. Now, we are adding some design elements like tablet mockup. Duplicate the mockup. Simply drag and drop the element to the mockup we just added. The images you dropped will automatically be wrapped inside the mockup design. Let's add some line elements. Now for the main text copy or the headline text. Let's change the font style to Poppins. The sub-headline to Playfair display, then choose italics to give emphasis. Now it's looking very cute, and we're almost done.
We're just adding some extra text to make it more interactive.
Change font color to white to not overshadow the main text copy. Viola. It's done, and now you have a stunning marketing poster for your digital products freebie. Thank you for watching.